this anywhere?
Sure. Alright people, welcome to part 5. We're finally getting shit together. Justin's inside taking a nap. Ross is out here playing with this extension cord. We got the Sawzall back because we're going to make the hole a little bit bigger so the hood scoop is slightly more functional. And then we're going to wet sand it and buff it. Jimmy buff it.
Maybe.
It's trying.
I'm trying to eat through this thing right here.
Yeah.
It's really annoying. I'm just gonna take it off for you. You know, weight reduction and stuff.
Yeah, dude. Oh, the struggles.
Oh my goodness. What is going on here? Okay, that might work. I'm gonna have to go back here. Just having issues, man. Didn't even work was the same way.
A little floppy.
I'm an idiot.
Bend it up.
I don't know why I didn't.
There's wires in here somewhere. Those will work.
Yes, they will. Oh, that was kind of neat.
Yeah. Neato. Yeah.
Yeah.
That works for me. Oh, look who's awake. Alright, the hole's bigger. That's good enough for me. What is he doing? Oh, hey, I did put my hexam in there. Cool.
Huh? Babe stuff?
Yeah. What's going on?
Trying to take a nap, bruh.
Why in the car?
Because it's comfier than the kitchen table.
My grandma said to sleep on the couch.
I don't want to be weird.
Alright. Because sleeping in my Honda's not weird.
Yeah. Okay. Don't know how much sleep he's gonna get.
Yeah, I don't know either. Alright guys, back with the wet sanding again. I'm gonna prime the sponge, just spray this with water, and then we get to work. Starting with 600 grit to make all the bubbles and stuff smooth out a little bit. And we're using a sanding block this time so people don't bitch at me. Even though I was using a sponge and it works just fine. But whatever, running. Not much, according to many people on the internet.
Going again.
Alright, now we got the 800 on there. Alright guys, the battery's going to die, but we're just going to use the Meguiar's 105 Ultra Cut on it, and then we'll get on with it. Trying to conserve battery here, but I wanted to show you this, guys. We're going to pour acetone in it, and it'll just start melting the foam away. Alright, so that took about all of, what, 45 seconds to melt it, and now we just gotta pour the acetone out and mount the hood scoop up to the Honda, and hopefully battery won't be dead by the time we do it.
He can go sleep in the house.
Alright, so we're just scraping the sludge out now. You're good. Alright guys, hood scoop sitting on the Honda. It's all hollowed out. We're just gonna put it in with some self-tapping sheet metal screws. And that'll probably be the end of this video. Alright, go ahead. That's how we're holding it in, guys. Just some fucking self-tapping sheet metal screws. Alright, we'll see you guys in a few moments. Alright, Justin just woke up from his Honda nap, and he's gonna try and put a screw in. The battery's almost dead, so if you can, you know, speed that up.
Just anywhere?
Sure. Nice, nice. Well done. Definitely. Alright guys, so that brings the how to build a carbon fiber hood scoop for your car series to an end. As you can see, we didn't want it going anywhere, so I'd say we put an adequate amount of screws in it. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something. I hope you enjoyed watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you want to see what's next for the Honda and what's next for the Steve. Could be interesting because Ross found a puddle under the Steve this morning.
Yep.
So we'll figure that out. Say bye to Justin, everyone. There he is. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry for such a short video, guys, but we were running out of battery. I hope you guys enjoyed it anyway. This video's car of the video goes to Michael Franz for his Slam 2004 Nissan 350Z. Looks pretty sexy. There's his Instagram on the right side of the screen there. Be sure to give us a like on Facebook at bcarlsonautos. Submit your entry for car of the video to curseforeverhelp@gmail.com. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at BigB1011 and click on the left side of the screen to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed. Have a good night.